Hello everyone, welcome to my video on talent management. In this video, we'll be covering what is talent management, its process, advantages and disadvantages. What is talent management? Talent management is defined as the methodically organized, strategic process of getting the right talent on board and helping them to grow their optimal capacities, keeping organizational objectives in mind. Talent management process. Talent management cycle includes planning, attracting, selecting, developing, retaining, transitioning, and it's a continuous cycle. Now, let us discuss each point. First one, planning. Like in any process with a set outcomes, planning is the first step in the process of talent management. It involves the following: identifying where the gap lies, the human capital requirement, formulating job descriptions for the necessary key role to help guide sourcing and selecting and developing a workforce plan for recruitment initiatives. Second one, attracting. Based on the plan, the natural next step is to decide whether the talent requirement should be filled in from within the organization or from external sources. Either ways, the process would involve attracting a healthy flow of applicants. The usual external sources include job portals, social networks and reference. The talent pools that need to be tapped into must be identified in advance to keep the process as smooth and as efficient as possible. Third one, selecting. This involves using a string of testers and checks to find out the right match for job, the ideal person, organization fit. Written test, interview, group discussion and charactermetric testing along with an in-depth analysis of all available information on the candidate on public access platforms help in gaining an all-rounded picture of the person. Today there are software and AI enabled solutions that recruiter can use to skim through a vast population of CVs to focus on the most suitable option and to find out the ideal match. The fourth one, developing. Quite a few organizations today operate on the idea of hiring for attribute and training for skills. This makes sense while you would want a predisposition to create skill set. It is the person that you are hiring, not the CV. Developing employee to help them grow with the organization and training them to expertise needs to contribute to business success, also build loyalty and improve employment engagement. This begins with an effective onboarding program to help the employee settle into the few roles, followed by providing ample opportunities for enhancing the skills. Fifth one, retaining. For any organization to be truly successful, sustainable, talent need to be retained effectively. Most organizations try to retain their best talent through promotion and increment, offering opportunities for growth, encouragement involving in special programs and decision making, training for more involved roles and rewards and recognition program. Sixth one, transitioning. Effective talent management focus on the collective transformation and evolution of organization through the growth of individual employees. This involves making each employee feel that they are a part of a bigger whole, providing retirement benefit, conducting exit interview and effective succession planning might seem like unrelated career points, but they are all transition tools that enables the shared journey. Advantages: connecting and sharing data. The right TMS can integrate and align core HR process, while much of the data collected through a HRIS is stored in crores and can be difficult to reach and analysis. This gives us clear understanding of what the data means for your business and enables you to make informed strategic business decisions. Second one, strategic hiring process. Having a TMS can help you recruit those really talented candidates that everyone is after. By integrating tasks such as post job descriptions, tracking applicants and making it easy to manage offer, a TMS streamline Your hiring process allows your time to focus on the candidate. Third one, improve onboarding experience. An organized and efficient approach to onboarding is achievable with a TMS. You can create employees profile while holding all of the information and data collected during the recruitment and hiring process. Automating the new hire paperwork can save both you and the new hire time, which you can then use to focus on the new recruitment. Fourth one, retain top talent. Once you have the best employees, you need to keep them. With all of that employee information hosted on the platform and neatly organized into an online profile, you can track performance, review goals, skills and career aspiration to make sure that your employees are happy and are on the right track. Having a TMS in place to capture all of that data make it easy to analysis and report on which employees need developing, monitoring and even promoting. Next one, increase employee and manager enlargement. If you are looking to increase enlargement in your company, implementing a TMS can help. The employees profile empowers employees and manager to interact with the employees' professional career progression. An integrated TMS solution encourages them to invite in the organization and align their daily work with the business goals while also focusing on their personal goals. Disadvantages. First one, can be quite expensive, especially if it is a startup. Second one, lack of understanding can at times lead to loss of trust. Third one, can cause conflict between the human resource team and management. Fourth one, getting the needed support from every department can be challenging. Fifth one, not all the companies are prepared for its implementation. Sixth one, proper implementation would need the support of the top management. Seventh one, can increase the overall cost while hiring from the other locations. Thank you for watching the video. This video was by Thakur Shraddha Singh of BCom Honors from St. Anne's College for Women.